morning everyone, I am Leila Isabel R. Alvaro. We are accredited TESDA assessor for the qualification of Barista NC2. But before we proceed, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Ronald Smith, our representative of TESDA Provincial Office. But don't worry about his presence, he's just here to observe our assessment.
So before I start, may I ask you to sign the attendance sheet and please present to me your admission slip and ID once your name is called. Then the assessor calls the name of the trainees to present their admission slip and ID. I have here with me your accomplished self-assessment guide. This is a proof that you know and you can perform that all the unit of competencies under the Barista NC2. Welcome to the SNSAT, our venue for the Conduct National Assessment.
So, welcome to our assessment for Barista NC2. The purpose of national assessment aims to determine the level of your competency and the insurance of national certificate. And it is level 2 for our barista. Today, I am going to administer the full qualification of Barista NC2. For the core competencies of Barista NC2, preparing espresso, texturing milk, preparing and serving coffee beverages, performing basic maintenance of machine equipment, and performing basic cashiering. I am going to use the written test, demonstration, oral questioning to determine or assess you for your assessment for today. So after the assessment, there will be two results, which is competent and not yet competent. If you found not yet competent, you are qualified for the reassessment. Just go to the nearest assessment center and schedule your reassessment anytime. For your personal necessities, we have our comfort room at the left side of our room. And you can take your meal at the canteen and not here inside of our room. For do's and don'ts, only the assessor and the representative of TESDA are allowed inside the assessment venue to ensure the confidentiality of the assessment. And during the assessment, you are no longer allowed to leave the premises. If you have difficulty of understanding to the given instruction, don't hesitate to ask me, and I'm willing to assist you. Is there any question or concern about our assessment for today?
I will give you now your written test. It is a 30-item test. Read the instruction carefully and answer it correctly. You have 20 minutes to answer it. Once the time is up, pass your paper.
I will now assign you to your workstation. Candidate number 1, you can proceed to workstation 1. And candidate number 2, please proceed to the station 2. Given the necessary tools and materials, you should be able to perform the task with our core competencies.
For this task, you will be given allotted time of 45 minutes. Right after the demonstration, prepare yourself for the oral question. Are you ready, candidate number 1? Your timer starts now.
You will also given allotted time, which is 45 minutes, and you have to finish in your workstation within that time. Are you ready, candidate number 2? Okay, your time starts now. So you're done with in your workstation, both of you. Now let's proceed with our oral questions. And I will be seated in the table, and once I call your name, just proceed to, and I will ask for your oral question. So how do you feel about the assessment today?
I felt nervous, but I did well job. I had some mistake our assessment.
So based on my observation, you are indeed competent in performing the entire task in the workstation, also in the written exam. And you also got passing score in the demonstration, and you answered correctly with the questions for the oral test. Also, you got 38 out of 40 on your written test. However, Next time, please observe your proper etiquette and the proper posture. Ayan, while performing the task. And avoid those unnecessary things that you are doing and the little accident that you are doing in the workstation. And be confident next time in answering the oral questioning. So, I would like to congratulate you that you did well and well done.
And I would like to congratulate you for the job well done. You are already competent for this qualification for the NC2 barista.
What do you feel about the assessment for today?
I feel nervous and I think I did a lot of mistakes.
You are able to perform all the tasks, but you did not follow the instruction properly, which leads to failure in performing the task. You did not get the passing score for your demonstration, and you only got 18 out of 40 on the written test. Also, during the oral questioning, you will not be able to answer all the questions correctly. Based on my observation, you are not yet competent. But don't worry, you can have your reassessment and just wait for your schedule. Kindly affix your signature in the competency assessment result summary. If you have any concerns with the result, you have the right to appeal and you can submit your appeal to the TESDA provincial office, where assessment, area, and assessors are accredited. Thank you and still congratulations.